Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Allure box and my Macy's beauty bag, and we're going to compare them and see which one was the best or if they were both good. These are two of my favorite subscriptions. I've been really happy with them lately, so I'm hoping that they keep up the good work on that. We're going to start with Macy's because they come in a bigger box and I always take it out. So this is what it looks like. I have not opened it at all yet. I don't know if I could recreate this. It's kind of crazy. And then you always get this little card with it, and then you get a $10 this month, which I've already used. I put it towards something that I bought at the VIP sale that they have going on. So the $10 coupon this month was really awesome because it's usually $5. This month's bag is a little different than usual. It's really big and it says, "I don't sweat, I sparkle." And then inside is all the products, and it is the normal hot pinkness. I don't know if I will actually use that bag. That's probably one that I can pass along without regret. And it's all like in this lump at the bottom here. The first thing I see makes me happy because Clinique Chubby Sticks, I always have a chubby stick in my purse. It is like a staple, something I love so much. I usually get the melon one, but I have used strawberry in the past, and I think my best friend, this is her shade too. So that's a nice thing. I love these. They're like the best lip balm. I really enjoy them. Next is a Jimmy Choo Man in the shade blue. That will be passed along because I will give it to my friend, and she has a couple sons that I pass along all of my male scented items to because it's not something that I can use. That retails for, a full size of it retails for $90, and the Clinique Chubby Sticks retail for $17.50. Next in here is a deodorant. We're getting some weird things in here. It's from Donna Karan. It's the Cashmere Mist. And I'm assuming it's just a deodorant and not, oh, it's an antiperspirant, so that's good. It smells pretty good, actually, yeah. That's kind of nice. I don't have to buy a deodorant. It does have say antiperspirant on it. I'm just being ridiculous. And it retails for $27, obviously not the size, but $27 for a designer deodorant. That's yeah. This is one of my favorite things ever. This is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment from Sunday Riley. I use this stuff all the time. I love it so much. What I've been doing, well, not at the moment because I've run out. My skincare routine has been is a retinol one night, a vitamin C the next, and then during the day, the lactic acid. So I'm just always constantly have some good stuff on my skin, and that I really like. But I'm out of the Good Genes at the moment, and I'm trying to use up some of the smaller serums that I have. So I'm excited to have another one of that. And this is a pretty good size. This is 0.17 fluid ounces, and this is a package that I can get every drop out of, which always makes me happy. That retails for $105 for the full size. It's so good though, guys. It's so good. Next is an 18-in-1 hemp peppermint pure Castile soap. And I've heard people talk about this a lot. I've never tried it though. This retails for $11 for the full size. I'm a little worried because this has peppermint in it. I don't know if it has actual peppermint oil in it. There it is. Yeah, it looks like it has real peppermint oil in it. So I might not be able to use this on my skin because I have reactions to peppermint. I can't use peppermint toothpaste. Anything that has peppermint in it, like lip balms, are a no-go for me. Next up is Jimmy Choo. This is the scent Fever, which I've seen in stores. I wondered what it smelled like as I drop it. We'll spray it on this and see what it smells like. Ooh. That might have to go on my list of perfumes that I want. Not that I need any more perfumes, but that smells really good. I'm excited about that. This retails for $112 for 3.3 ounces. So, as always, it's really expensive. And then the last thing in here is the shower sheet. That's interesting. And this retails for $22. I don't know how many you get for $22, but you better get a lot of them because that's a lot for shower sheets. This is kind of a weird box. I kind of get that it's like you could go to the gym with this and you'd have a shower sheet, or you could shampoo, I guess, with this because it says 18. Shave, shampoo, shower, bath, mop, launder, degrease. Okay, lots of different things. So maybe I can use it as a laundry soap. That might work. Deodorant. This one I'm excited about. So I'm excited about 4 out of the 7. One I can't use at all. This one I'm a little nervous about. And I guess this will come in handy. I'll stick it, I don't know, somewhere to use it down the road. But Clinique Chubby Stick, awesome. Awesome for the Sunday Riley. I like the scent of this perfume, and I'm liking the scent of the deodorant as well. So even though it was an interesting box, I still think it was pretty good, especially when you take into account you got a $10 coupon too, which when you go into store is combinable with the 15% off that's going on too, which was nice because you can't combine them online. All right, Allure. Allure sent out some spoilers for the next few months, and I think we're gonna have some really awesome boxes. These are both $15 a month, so that's why I put them together, and I will have links down below if you want to subscribe. The Allure is a referral code, so I get like a free gift if you sign up. I have no idea. Nobody's ever signed up, so I don't know what it is. I think that's how it works. And then Macy's, they don't have anything with it. It's just how to sign up. The first thing I pulled out of here is from IGK. It is a Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. So I'm assuming it's for your hair. I don't know if it makes your hair, infuses straight hair with PC texture, enhances God-given waves and curls. Smells like bergamot and lemon zest. That makes me, oh, it doesn't smell good, bad. That smells pretty good. I'll try it. I don't know. I don't usually use a gel in my hair, so that's a little different. And that retails for $29 for the full size. That's a lot. Next in here, oh, I've heard a lot about this. This is from Drunk Elephant. This is the TLC Sukari Baby Facial. It has AHA and BHA in it. And this retails for $80. So I'm assuming it's used once weekly, leave on for 20 minutes, and then rinse. So it is a mask type thing. I've been wanting to try it because I've heard good things. I have not been super happy with Drunk Elephant. Like, people have really liked it, but it hasn't really been my thing. So I'm a little wary if it's going to be good or not. Next in here is from Tarte. It is a Tarteist Pro Lash Adhesive. So I actually don't have any lash glue because I never do lashes. So it makes sense for the next thing in the box. That retails for $9. That's a full size, I'm assuming. They are definitely full size. These are Tarteist lashes in Boss. That's funny. No, this one's in Flirt. I don't know why it says Boss lashes. That's interesting. They're really pretty. Maybe I should try to use some false lashes here every once in a while. But you can adhere it with the lash glue. These retail for $12. And then in here is a MAC lipstick, which is awesome. I got the shade Ruby Woo, which is like one of their famous colors. And this is a full size. It's a retro matte. Yeah, that's like a nice classic red. That's really pretty. And it retails for $18.50. So you pay for the box with just the lipstick, like you would buy the lipstick full price for more than this box. You get the baby facial and the hair gel, and then the lashes and glue. This is kind of an interesting, because like this isn't something normally I would use, but they look really pretty, which is silly. I don't need false lashes. I don't. I would use them only for filming, and usually I'm doing like different things on days that I film. So I don't know. This one I'm gonna try because it sounds like you can just use it as like a treatment, not so much as like a gel. Like when I read gel, I was thinking like slicking back your hair, which you can barely see that I have hair because my background's dark today. But this, I'm excited about this because I know this is really expensive and I've heard really good stuff about it. And then the lipstick. I don't know. I don't know which one I think is a better box. Which do you think was better this month? Or were they both good? Were they both terrible for you? I love hearing your comments. Let me know down below your thoughts. And also, if you get these, did you get the same items? Did you get a different variation? I know it shows in the Allure book. I forgot to show you. There's a little Allure book in here. It shows that there's variation, so I'd like to know if you got the variations and what you thought of those. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, if you wouldn't mind hitting subscribe, it would mean so much to me, and I'll talk to you guys next time.